Wednesday, hump day, September 13th. Got another new yarn. I got lots of new yarns to show you, and I have an idea. Unfortunately, I can't find the pattern, but I know what the pattern is, and I can rewrite it because I think I made it. So anyway, that's my idea for these. This is by Wool Addicts, and it is called Mystery. It is a cable construction, very puffy. It is bulky weight, and it is self-striping in 1,000,000 colors. Every ball is in 1,000,000 different colors. So I have 4 colorways. So it's self-striping. It is, I'll tell you what it is. It is merino, 92% with a little poly in it. It is a superwash. Okay, very puffy, very squishy. There are 120 yards in a ball, more than enough for a hat. 1 ball for a hat, 1 ball for some fingerless mitts maybe. And I think 2 balls would make this little thing I'm going to show you. So this is one color, right? This is the next color, which looks very rainbowy. And then there's turquoise on the inside, and I think there's purple on the inside. So this is very multiple colors. This one is purples and grays and blues on the outside. On the inside, there's green. So you never know what you're going to get. And the last one is whites, greens, but look what else. Turquoise, yellow, peach. And on the inside, more green, peach, and salmon. So lots and lots of colors on this one. Love this. All right, so these are $27.50 a ball. And I actually designed this many years ago when we had our quick knits. And it's a cowl, self-fringing. It's 2 like that. So it's a very simple pattern, and I need to find the pattern, but I will find the pattern. It is knit flat. You cast on, I think, about 38 or 40 stitches. You knit it this way, and then it's in seed stitch, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and then purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. So it's knits over pearls and pearls over knits. And then you bind off in a straight line. You bind off, but you don't bind off the first 4 stitches or the last 4 stitches. So you only bind off the center stitches. And then you very carefully unravel all of the unbound stitches on one side, and then all of the unbound stitches on the other side, and it comes out in all this fun fringe. And the way I seamed it was, this is on the inside, so I seamed it this way, so this is the inside, and then I turned and I seamed it out here on the other side, so you can turn the hem like this, and you won't see the seam, but you will have, and it won't be so long. So now the seam is on the inside, right? And see, the seam's on the inside, but you fold it over like that and you don't see the seam. Of course, you would wear that in the back. But anyway, so it's 2 layers, super simple. You could make this baby fast, 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 and I'm pretty sure you can get it out of 2, okay? If not, I'm going to design it so you can get it out of 2. But anyway, it's an idea. I just can't remember what I called it. But anyway, this obviously was a self-striper. These are self-stripers, and it will be so fun. That's my idea for today. So 2 balls of Wool Addicts Mystery is the name of it, Mystery. Let's see. Oh, they caught that very scary person who was running through the Pennsylvania woods. They got him this morning. That was good news. Brilliant. So happy for all those people in Pennsylvania. What else? I don't know. Social knitting tonight. Table's not packed yet, but we've got plenty of space. Would love to have everybody come. It's always fun to have some conversation, a little glass of wine, and some sharing stories and tips and tricks for knitting and crochet. It's all good. All right. I think that's all I have for today. Have a wonderful evening, and I will see you tomorrow.